Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are safe and healthy. I am Pratibha Poe and I am a class teacher of First C from Advocate Bapusai Bhunde High School. We are here to learn in unique way. Hope you all will enjoy to learn little bit new but interesting. So let's start today's class. In today's class we are going to learn maths subject. So let's start. Students, welcome to digital class. We are going to refer this mathematics textbook for standard 1. As we know, we can see many things around us like trees, animals and many more. Some are very big and some are small and tiny. What do you think? How can we recognize them? We can recognize them according to their size and shapes. So let's see how can we recognize them. Student, can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is an apple. Student, what you see in this picture? Can you tell me what is the difference between two apples? Yes, the apples are same. Now tell me, what is the difference between these two apples? Yes, one is a big and one is a small. Now, today we are going to learn comparison between big and small. Do you see the picture? So student, which animal is this? Yes, it is an elephant. Is it big or small? Yes, the elephant is big. Which animal is this? Right, this is a mouse. Is it big or small? Good, the mouse is small. See the two balls. One is black and white ball and other is orange ball. Which ball is big and which one is small? Yes, a black and white ball is big and orange ball is small. Now tell me, what is the big? Is the tree big or is the plant big? Yes, you are right. The tree is big and plant is small. Now, it's a time for some fun activity. Students, collect big and small objects from your home. For example, a big ball and small ball, a big spoon and small spoon, a big plate and small plate. It can be anything. Now, point to the big object and say, "This ball is big." And then point to the small one and say, "This ball is small." Do this for all the object. Excellent. Now, this is a lot of fun. Boys wear Papa's shirt and t-shirt and shoes and say, "I am small." The dress is big. And I am small. The shoes are big. Girls do the same. Wear mama's dress or top and shoes and say, "I am small." The dress is big. I am small. The shoes are big. Try this at home. Try to this activity. So, today we learned the comparison between big and small. I hope you will able to compare the things now. If you have liked my video, so don't forget to subscribe a channel so that you could get a new notification of the video coming up next. Thank you.